That girl's hot. Hot stuff, ready to go.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
How excited you are for this chicken?
Shaking for excitement. I love upstate, like Lupo's Spiedie chicken is like a total upstate thing. Like it's no anywhere else. No one's ever heard of Spiedies anywhere else I go. They're like, a Spiedie, what the fuck is that?
Yeah, I have no clue.
Yeah.
So explain to me a little bit more and everyone else.
A Spiedie is a chicken that is marinated in a vinegar base, close to Italian dressing, but a little bit more vinegar than Italian dressing. So it's not too much a dressing, more of a marinade.
Oh yeah, these coals are 500 degrees. Chicken's 150.
Oh, there she is. Beautiful chicken. Tell me again.
Finishing touches.
What's finishing touches?
Giving it that char that it wants. That chicken wants, it desires. That takes me back. Being a kid, man, that takes me back.